Number 4. Find the LCM of 32 m squared and 45 m cubed and L squared. So we have find the LCM of 32 m squared, n squared, n, and 45 m cubed, n, L squared. Solution to the problem. In this case, we have 32 m squared, n squared, L. And we have here 45 m cubed, n, L squared. I want to find the LCM. So here, 32 and 45. Let's look at the number we are going to start with. Okay, we can start with 2 because we have 32 here. But one thing about LCM and ACF is this. We are going to exhaust everything. Now, one thing we can do is this. 32 and 45. Let's use 2 first. 32 divided by 2, we have 16 m squared, n squared, L. Now dividing, 2 will not divide this, so we still have 45. Now, let's use 2 again. What do we have? Using 2, we have 8 m squared, n squared, L. Then dividing is still the same, 45 m cubed, n, L squared. Now, if we use 2, what do we have? We have 4 m squared, n squared, L. And we still have 45 m cubed, n, L squared. Now, using 2 also, what do we have? 4 divided by 2, we have 2 m squared, n squared, L. And we have here 45 m cubed, n, L squared. Now, dividing by 2, we have m squared, n squared, L. And we have 45 m cubed, n, L squared. Now, we are done with 32. Let's look at 45. Looking at 45, we can use 3. We still copy this. 45 divided by 3, what do we have? 15. 15 m cubed, n, L squared. Now, looking at what we have here, we can use 5. 5. Or we can still use 3. Since we're having 15, we can still use 3. Let's use 3. Now, using 3, what do we have? Using 3 to divide, what are we having? We still have this here. And we have 5 m cubed, n, L squared. Because 15 divided by 3 is 5. So in this case, we still have 5 there. Now we have m squared, n squared, L. And what do we have? We have 5 divided by 5, which is 1. So we have m cubed, n, L squared. Now looking at what we have now. Looking at what we have. Here we have the next one, which is m squared, n squared, L. And m cubed, n, L squared. Now, the first thing we need to look at, we have m squared here, we have m cubed in this place. Now, in this case, m squared and m cubed, we can still use further. It's not compulsory to use the simplest form. We can use a bigger form of this. Now, looking at what we have here, m squared is here, m cube is also here. So we can decide to use m squared also. Now, using m squared, what do we have? M squared divide this, what do we have? We have n square L. M cube divide this, what do we have? We have m. Now, looking at what we have here, we still have m here. So, using that m to divide again, we don't have anything like m again here. So, m divided by m, what do we have? We have 1. So, we have nl squared. We are done with m. Now, we consider n here. N square L and nl square. What is common? We can see. We can pick from what is common first so that it will be very easy for us to solve. So we have n square divided by n. We have n. So this is nl. And here, what do we have? We have L squared. Now, in this case, we have n here also. We still have to consider n. nl divided by n. What do we have? We have L. And here, we are having L squared. Now, in this case, we are going to use L. That's the next thing to do. L, use of L. This is 1, and here, L divided by L1. Now, L squared divided by L, we have L. Now, we still have L here. Our target is to have 1, 1. So, we have here, this is 1. 1 divided by L, we are not considering that. So, we still write 1 here. Now, L divided by L, what do we have? This is going to be 1. So, we now have 1, 1. Now, we need to get our final answer. LCM of 32 m square n square L and 45 m cube n L square is equals to, now this will form our result. So we have what? The first number here, which is 2, followed by 2 times 2, followed by times 2, times 2, times 2. We also have 3. That's the next number. Times 3, times 3, times 5, times, what's the next one? We have m squared times m times n times n times L times L. So now, let's multiply. 2 times 2, that's 4. Times 2, we have 8. Times 2, that's 16. Times 2, that is what? 32. So we have 32. Times, what do we have here? 3 times 3, that's 9. Then we have 5. We have 5 here. Times 5. Then we have m squared times m. That's what? M cube. And we have n times n. That is n squared times L squared, which is L times L. Take note of that. So we now have 32 times 9 times 5. That's 45. We can now have 45 m cube n squared L squared. Now, we need to multiply 32 by 45. Let's do that. 32 by 45. So, 45 times 32. What do we have? From the back, 2 times 5, that's 10. Then what do? We carry 1. 2 times 4, that's what? 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9. Now, let's use 3. 3 times 5, what do we have? 15. Then what do? We also need to carry 1. 3 times 4, what do we have? 12. 12 plus 1, that is 13. So in this case, we now need to add. From the back, we have 0. 9 plus 5, that is what? 14. Then we need to carry 1. 1 plus 3, what do we have? That's 4. Then we have 1 here. So it means that the product of 45 and 32 is 1,440. Now let's write our final answer. We have this to be 1,440. So the final answer is 1,440 m cubed n squared L squared. That is a solution to the problem. Thank you.